This is Honesty Milk, an all-in-one cafe and farm situated on a beautiful island of Jeju. In this video, we'll take a look at how their delectable yogurt and milk drinks are made. The cows on the farm are well managed, and they are even allowed to roam freely throughout the property. The milking process starts early in the morning at exactly 5 a.m. Suction machines are used to collect milk in a quick and sanitary manner. A single cow can produce 6.2 gallons of milk per day on average, so these machines are a godsend. Imagine hand milking a cow and collecting at least 6 gallons of milk. The freshly collected milk is then sterilized to remove any harmful bacteria. Lactic acid is also added to create a tangy and creamy flavor. Milk strawberry is one of the cafe's best sellers. It has a creamy and well-balanced sweet strawberry flavor. But what makes this treat unique is that in addition to their high-quality milk, they only use fresh, local strawberries. The milk strawberry is processed by first sanitizing all equipment and the working area, then removing the top part of it and washing it for several times. In contrast to our video about the instant noodle factory where almost every step is automated, Honesty Milk is a small dairy producer in the area, which allows them to manage demand by hand. The team will now manually bottle up small chunks of strawberry. Now that the bottles and strawberry are ready, the milk is transferred so that production can begin. Fresh milk is the first batch in the line. Followed by strawberry milk. Did I forget to mention that Honesty Milk also sells peach milk? They are. After all, it is a popular item at the cafe. Unfortunately, we don't have a footage of how they process yogurt, but as per the producers, Honest Milk's yogurt is just a fermented version of their fresh milk. Like the manual bottling of the strawberries, the yogurt is also bottled by hand. Only small batches of yogurt is available every day. This ensures that customers will only get the freshest possible yogurt. That's it for today. If you ever find yourself in Jeju Island, make sure to stop by Honesty Milk so that you can taste their delicious yogurt and milk drinks. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out. Bye.